Homestead Financial.
Hi, my name is Patrick Oglesby with Homestead Financial, and today I'm going to talk about the first-time home buyer and the steps that you should take to be sure that you're prepared when you're getting ready to buy your first home. We put together a first-time home buyer prep list. You need to make sure you got everything in order when you're getting ready to make that call for a pre-approval. First thing that we're going to look at is your credit profile. Minimum, you need to have a credit score in the 580 range, ideally higher, but that's a good starting point to get you going. Other than just credit score, we're looking at other things on the credit report. Length of accounts that you have open, number of trade lines that you have open and currently active. If your score isn't quite up to the 580, it can be approved with the right counseling. Sometimes little to no money by transferring a small credit card balance from one account to another. Sometimes it's paying off an old collection or applying for a new account to get an additional trade line going. But again, with the right counseling, you can get where you need to be. Sometimes it's as little as 60 days, sometimes 90 days. For some people, it may take 6 months, but it's not an overnight process in all cases, but you can get to where you need to be to become a first-time home buyer. You need to gather your income documents. Typically, your most two recent pay stubs would cover a 30-day period. What we're going to be looking at in those regards is, how are you paid? Are you an hourly employee? Are you a salary? Do you get overtime? Do you get bonus income? Are you commissioned? All of those factors are going to determine what your debt to income ratio is and how we can compute your income. In addition to your pay stubs, you also will need your W-2s for the previous 2 years, as well as your tax returns. Typically, you need a 2-year employment and income history, but not all cases. If you're a recent college graduate and you go into the field of work that you studied in, with that diploma, 30 days on the job, we've gotten transactions completed with just 30 days on a job straight out of college. So each scenario is just a little bit unique. Keep in mind also, if you are self-employed, we'll need the 2 most recent years' business tax returns as well. For down payments, we cover in other videos the different loan products and programs, but typically 3.5% down is what you're going to be looking for. For conventional loan, 5% down. If you're a veteran, you can get in a VA with 0 down, or if you qualify for a USDA loan in specific areas and income, those are also no down payment products. If you're unsure about how you get pre-approved, then give us a call. There is no cost, there's no obligation to speak with one of our loan officers and guide you down the path that's going to get you to home ownership. Keep in mind, in this market, with where housing is and interest rates, in most cases you're going to be able to buy a home with a monthly payment less than what you pay for rent, and you get the pride of home ownership to go along with it. We touched on just a few key points how to be prepared to buy your first home. But if you have any further questions, don't hesitate to give us a call. We're always eager to answer any of your questions and get you started.